So you've had these particular 2 leadership roles. You've written your blogs. If you could go back in time, what would you do differently?
Well, I think that the hardest part is sort of, because when everything's going well, it's easy.
Yeah,
It's when you have challenges with certain team members, challenges with projects that are probably set up for failure from day one, challenges with, let's say, managing up and different expectations. So how I handle all that were, I would say, not always effective. And you also have the challenge of really understanding who you're trying to communicate to. Because for me, a lot of management is, if you can't, you have a message to deliver from upper management, from either your CEO or whoever's CTO, whoever's calling the shots.
Yeah.
You have to deliver that to the team. The team will either come back with, yes, we can do it, or no, we can't do it, or something in between, and you have to deliver that message back. And you're part of this negotiating process that's not really a formal negotiating process. And if you're not able to communicate effectively to either side, you become part of the problem.
If you're not filtering
Yeah.
either down or up,
Yeah.
and you're just a mouthpiece,
Yes.
then you're not really serving.
Yeah,
a
exactly,
purpose.
exactly. And I like to, when I talk to recruiters, I tell them, I think you're in a similar role because you're trying to bring 2 sides together, right?
Yes.
To meet at either whether a role is right for a particular person or if a particular salary is right for a particular role. It's always a very sort of fine line you have to walk and make sure both sides can see the other side's, I guess, valid points, invalid points, and really get people to reach an agreement.
And be transparent, but yet sensitive at the same time, and
Yeah.
break somebody
Yeah.
with feedback, make it